Go ahead and clap.
You want me to clap?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you the clap.
Okay. He just gave that to me. New favorite amp setup, and it might be surprising.
Yeah, can you guess what amp we're using today?
It's different. Guess what amp that is? It's not the amp, it's a pedal.
Yeah, that's not a Dumble. That's a Pro Jr.
It's a Fender Pro Jr. Great amp, but it's not a Dumble. But man, that was some very touch-sensitive, very harmonically rich, laden, very amp-like response you were getting from that pedal. What would you say that pedal is?
That is a Overrated special.
That's Overrated.
By Way Huge. And I guess they're...
it's not so big either.
It's definitely small. And actually, this is the smaller version, because I think they did a limited run of bigger versions, and then they started making these, and I like it because we like smaller pedals because you can get more of them on your board.
And if you ask about how long it's going to take to build it, they won't cancel your order.
Oh, there's so many rumors about Dumbles. I mean, we've all heard.
Alexander Howard Dumble, I believe his name.
Not Dumbledore. Not to be confused with the Great Wizard.
With great genius comes great curmudgeon. God, it's hard to talk like this.
So we are social distancing. This is our second video since we got back together. The store's been open for a little while, but we definitely took a break from shooting the videos because of everything that was going on, and it's good to be back. And we got one of these pedals in, and I don't think we've done any kind of Dumble type pedal. So, and I don't know how many we're really going to get because we do carry Way Huge, and I think this might be the only one that we can really get our hands on.
So it truly is special.
Yeah, and my favorite thing, I love the way it pretty much does give you an amp in a box.
D style.
Yeah, not an M style. It's not a Marshall in a box.
It's not a Fender. It's not a Vox. You know, the Dumbles, the Overdrive Special, I think being the most famous one, can go for thousands upon thousands of dollars if you're not familiar with them. If you want a good, interesting read, look them up and see all the weird and interesting history about who owns them, how many of they own, and how much did they pay, and how long did they wait to get it, because I've heard of used ones selling for close to $100,000, and I think Joe Bonamassa was the one who's like, what idiot paid that much for it? Yep. And then he realized, oh wait, I was that idiot.
And to be fair, he is the one who worked with Way Huge to come up with this pedal, the original. So that's
Thanks, Joe.
Thanks, Joe.
We appreciate it. And next time, you're welcome to the back of the store.
Yeah, we'll take you anywhere in the store. Just
you can't buy the cat.
Just don't wear a hat and glasses, because I can't tell who you are. Anyway, that's a funny story. We'll have to talk about that down there. Anyway, but so, and I'm going to give a quick shout out to Josh Sanders. Just did his board. He had a Vertex. Can't even think of the name of the pedal, but it was, I guess, their take on it. And when I was testing out the board, I played through it. And I was like, whoa, I like that sound. I don't have anything like that. And then, I knew we had this, so I was like, well, I'm just going to go ahead and pick this pedal on up.
I tried it the day that we got one in, and just for fun, I plugged the Smalls Conspiracy Theory, their Klon style pedal, into the front of this and then into the amp, and oh my god, does that sound great.
Yeah.
And that's not even necessarily I'm more of a high gain kind of guy, but I think
you're starting to dabble.
You can really get some cool tones.
That toe into that little overdrive collecting pool there, man.
But you plug a Klon style pedal into this, and good night. Can you really do some stuff? And it's very amp-like in its response.
It very much is.
Cleans up well.
Compresses really nicely.
Everything you want.
Very reactive to touch, which I like. That's what I like in any kind of overdrive pedal.
And for the lessers, it's unforgiving.
I guess that's what you would call it.
It's every sound I make, it picks up. Oh darn!
Yeah, that's true.
That'd be the worst thing ever. So
yeah, there's no built-in gate.
No, sorry. I love my gate.
Noise gates they have a sound, and I appreciate that sound for sure.
But this sounds so open and just amp-like, and if I didn't know any better, I think we were just diming out this Pro Jr. because we've got it on the 3 if on the volume.
Maybe. Yep.
So the volume 2-knob amp with a volume and tone.
I'll have a picture of the settings pop up on this one too, so you can see.
It's like cranking this amp all the way overdrives, but better. It's a little bit more focused. It's got a little bit more harmonic content than if you just overdrove a Fender style amp. And I think with an overdrive in front of it, with a good tube amp, there is nothing you could not do tone wise if you do it right. Sounds good.
No, it really is. So I think we're just gonna probably just play through some sounds. We'll probably throw some sounds on the Epiphone here, and then on this new Squier Toronado.
So for posterity, this is our clean tone of our Fender Pro Jr IV Limited Red. So get yourself a red one. Alright, clean tone. So now let's hear how it sounds with the overdrive. Here's some of those same licks.
Sure.
Very cool. Wow.
It's a cool pedal. It's good. It's one of those I've never played through a Dumble, nor do I ever plan on playing through a Dumble.
I do.
But I know a lot of YouTube people that have played through some Dumbles because I've watched their YouTube videos. And if this, even if this doesn't sound anything like it,
still
still
sounds
gives
good.
me something different and good in an overdrive pedal that I don't have in any of my other overdrive pedals.
Yeah, and I love the touch sensitivity to it. I'll switch over.
Yeah.
To me, that's my favorite thing because I'm a fiddler when it comes to these knobs. I love messing around with things. So I'm gonna start just roll back my neck pickups volume here. That thing can sustain for days,
That rips.
and
That-
if you can't
that is
hear the
great.
differences just from how you tweak your controls on your guitar, then you should get these checked because it's different. Man, that cleans up well to a nice clean. But man, I mean, for tightening up rhythm tones, you can roll off your volume. Then when you want your lead tone, just turn it up. Go and have a bite.
Joe, the expert of playing with knobs.
I play with my knobs so much, I'm just the expert now. So, but wow, I mean, the bloom of the harmonics, we've kept it on the same settings all the time. But there's a lot of control in there, just how you set the frequency and the tone. I liked having it dimed out completely on the drive, because that way I can clean it up with my volume if I want a cleaner tone, and then just really hit it hard and turn it up when I want to. If you want to just turn the gain all the way up. So again, can go from spanking clean. It's not going to give you a full-on death metal tone, but I mean, you can get just about any classic rock tone just with this pedal. If you need more gain, you can always throw an overdrive, a tube screamer, super overdrive, whatever you like in front of it.
Yeah, and that's how I plan on doing.
Plenty of control.
Gain staging for sure. Also have to give it definitely, I'd say a 10 out of 10 for looks.
It's slick.
It's a good looking pedal.
It's not bad looking. It's prettier than I am, but that's not saying much.
Just don't let people step on your face, Joe. Way huge. Overrated special.
This makes better noises when you step on it. Let's just put it that way.
That's true. Yeah.
I make those when you don't step on it. I just make those. I make dad noises. I don't have kids.
That's true. Oh man. Overrated special.
So overrated.
We're
so
special.
special.
I think we're overrated.
Yeah, we are, and we're special.
We're actually.
My mom thinks I'm cool.
We're really, really popular in
Japan.
Yeah.
Nobody's gonna do the research to find out or not. So anyway, we good?
Yep. I'm Rick.
I'm Joe.
Thanks for watching.
Go.